कुछ होने में और बहुत कुछ होने में इतना सा फर्क है, एक बार सोच के छोड़ देने में और लग के कर दिखाने में। मान लेने में कि जिंदगी ऐसे ही कटेगी, और सुबह 4 बजे उठ के सोचने में कि अभी तो बस शुरुआत है। किसी मैगजीन को हाथ में लेने में और उसी मैगजीन के कवर पेज पे होने में इतना सा ही तो फर्क है। वीआईपी सीट में और उसकी पिछली सीट में इतना सा ही तो फर्क है। वो जिसका मैदान ही खुला आसमान है, वही कल जमीन पर तो था। पूछोगे तो बताएगा वो पंछी कि एक दायरे में सिमटने में और पूरी दुनिया को दायरा बनाने में बस इतना सा फर्क है। इतना कितना है? इतना है या इतना है? जो नापेगा वो जाने कि जहां धरती और आसमान मिलते हैं, नानकुर से दूर, अगर मगर शायद से दूर, वहां भी दोनों में फर्क बस इतना सा है। धरती और 7वें आसमान में फर्क बस इतना सा। ये एक अंतर प्रेरणा, ये हमारी, आपकी, हम सब की अंतर प्रेरणा। एक कदम, एक छलांग, एक बाजी, एक गहरी सांस और एक ललकार खुली हवाओं में कि हाँ, मैं बना हूं उन फिजाओं के लिए, कि हाँ, मैं बना हूं उन ऊंचाइयों के लिए जो ऊंची तो बहुत है पर नामुमकिन भी नहीं, क्योंकि मुमकिन और नामुमकिन में बस इतना सा फर्क है। धूप छांव में फर्क बस इतना सा। तो बस चलिए फ्रेंचाइज इंडिया के साथ ये फर्क मिटा देते हैं। फ्रेंचाइज इंडिया, 20 years of ideas.
A very good afternoon to everyone who have joined us today for our 311th edition of Business Opportunity over Chai. In every edition, we aim to bring the best business opportunity for you available in the market. And today, the brand which we have brought for you is Puppets, which is a rapidly growing toy store chain from East Region. Now, with this, I would like to invite the management team of Franchise India, Mr. Gaurav Maurya and Ms. Sonia Chaudhary, to formally start the session. Over to you, Sonia ma'am.
Thank you so much, Shruti, and a very good afternoon to all our friends who have joined on today's webinar. And before I introduce and invite Ms. Pooja, I'll also take a minute to even talk about the various investor services that we have launched. So I'll take maybe another 2 minutes to give you a brief on that. So friends, so this is the Investor Advantage program that we launched last year, where through our teams at Franchise India across all the top 10 cities and also tier 2 cities, we have a reach in about 85 cities currently in India, including our independent franchise consultants, which are located in.
Sonia ma'am, I'm sorry to interrupt you. Your voice is echoing.
Okay, I don't know why that is happening. Is it better now?
Yeah, ma'am, it's clear.
No, ma'am, it is okay. You may please.
Yeah, it's
Okay.
fine.
Okay. All right. So, and so what we do, and we advise you on buying a business opportunity. So you can get yourself registered for personalized solutions and guidance, where we work with you in assessing 5 tools. You know, we call that industry assessment, market assessment, competition assessment, brand assessment, and more importantly, self-assessment. What is right for you as a business buyer, as an entrepreneur, the opportunities to invest in. At the same time, I'll also like to announce that we have last week also launched complimentary and a no obligation advisory sessions with anybody who wants to buy a business opportunity, which can happen directly with me and also Mr. Maria. And we'll come on these half an hour sessions with every investor who is exploring any kind of opportunity anywhere in the country and also overseas. A lot of our friends from Gulf, UAE have also been writing to us in the past almost a year, as they're exploring opportunities within the country as they want to come back, and also for these markets. So I will also request anyone who wants to block complimentary sessions, and these are no obligation sessions where you want to explore, understand the options, opportunities, evaluate what is available. We are more than happy to extend that to each one of you. And now I'll request Ms. Pooja Jain from the company Puppets, which is based out of East India, to come and present the business opportunity for everybody out here. Over to you, Pooja ji.
Good morning, everyone. I am from Puppets. Today I am going to represent you our idea. We started this idea and we started to work on this 3 years before. We started with one of the stores in suburbs of Calcutta. It was in Kachrapada. So from there the journey started, and now we are operating 6 stores. They are all working right now in suburbs of Calcutta, like Kachrapada, Kalyani, Chagda, Chandan Bolpur, and Arambagh. So the journey started, and now we are trying to expand it, and we are looking forward for the franchisee partners. Let me update you on the idea. The idea is of a exclusive toy stores, as you can see on your picture. It's a toy store, but it is in the range of like 400 to 500 square feet, and it's an exclusive toy store wherein we deal in 5 categories. First is like the toys, games, then electronic toys, figures, newborn baby items. Then there are things for girls like doll houses, and all those things. And then there are school bags and stationery items. And there are other accessories like luggage, specs, goggles, caps, shoes for kids. We also deal with the newborn baby items, and all the newborn baby items like strollers, rockers, rattles, all those prams, and all those things are available over here.
Right. Sure.
To start with, like I would also like to update you that it's a very good idea. And now we are working on the entire West Bengal or rather entire East. And we are looking for franchisee approach. The units which we are currently running are all company owned and company run units, based. So we need the franchisee. Anshul will update you on those.
Sure. Sure, Poojaji. Thank you very much for this initial brief. And good afternoon, friends. Good afternoon, everyone. Just to recap some of the key points that Poojaji has highlighted. Company, of course, based out of Kolkata and now running 6 company-owned stores within Kolkata. And in terms of the product mix, we have a newborn category, complete range, pram, walkers, furniture, shoes, accessories, everything. A complete toy range for boys and for girls also. Alongside, we are also doing school, which is some books and school bags, stationery items, as you can see in the pictures, pencil boxes, tiffin boxes, water bottles, and then in others we have luxury trolleys, luggage trolleys, sunglasses, watches, caps, umbrella, dupe, perfumes, photo frames, and many other products. And alongside, we are also doing a wide range of games and sports, battery operated remote control cars, box games, plastic toys, and many other products in this category as well. So, as Pooja ji has mentioned, this is a store which is 400 to 500 square feet, but fully loaded in that sense. So, any customer that walks into the store, there's a very high chance of converting a sale there, because you have such a wide offering that customer would, of course, buy something from you. So now keenly considering expansion across Kolkata, West Bengal, and through FOFO, franchise on franchise operated franchise approach for direct unit stores. Company is also open for doing multi-unit deals where one investor can look at doing 3, 4, 5 stores, take rights for a city in East India. And of course, master franchise deals also can be structured. So for example, master franchisee, if you want to do state of Jharkhand, so you can combine Ranchi, Jamshedpur, Dhanbad, and maybe look at a 5, 7 stores commitment, take state rights as a master franchisee. The advantage with master franchisee is that you also get rights to sub-franchise further. So you do 1 or 2 stores yourself, and rest stores can be sub-franchised. Similarly, in East, opportunity available for the Northeastern 7 states. Completely, one partner can take rights for all 7 states. Bring in 1 or 2 stores in each of the state capitals. Guwahati, Assam, of course, would do more stores. So overall, I think 12 to 15 store potential in these 7 northeastern states can be a good opportunity for a master franchise. Similarly, if I look at this side, Odisha, so you have places like Bhubaneswar, Cuttack, Raulkela, Sambalpur, Puri. So these 5 cities itself should easily give a potential for 10 to 12 stores in these 5 cities as well, right? Similarly, Chhattisgarh, if you see, you have Raipur, Raigad, Durg, Bhilai. So easily 5, 7 stores can be done in these markets as well, right? So overall, we strongly believe that East India overall holds a potential for about 50 stores. As we've mentioned, we're open to do direct unit stores as well. Opportunities for multi-unit partners, which can come in at a city level, do 2, 3, 4 stores, and a larger opportunity for master franchise partners who can commit to do 8 to 10 stores each. Advantage with master franchisee is that you also get rights to further sub franchise, right? So this is an exciting opportunity. We'll look at the financial structure also in next few slides. In fact, it's here. A store which is 400, 500 square feet, we're looking at a total investment of 20 lakh rupees, and this 20 lakh rupees is split into interior fit out at 7.5 lakh rupee, 50,000 for signage and branding, 2.5 lakh rupee is equipment and furniture, then inventory at cost price for 6 lakh rupees. So this would be, so inventory we will discuss and plan with you in terms of, depending on your location, your city, and the potential in that market, demographics in that market. So accordingly, this 6 lakh rupee kitty is created in the right mix of product, which we believe, given the demographics and the price points in that market, should do well, right? Apart from that, 3 lakh rupees franchise fee. So overall, we're looking at 20 lakh rupees in the project. In terms of our product categories, now if you see on the table on the right, these products, and we have also put their pricing. This is pre-GST pricing, and these are some of our sales mix that we are experiencing in our stores in Kolkata. So given this product range, price points, and sales mix, we are experiencing an average bill value of between 600 to 700 rupees. That is pre-GST bill value, right? And given that price, we are able to also generate 50, 60 bills a day, or about 1,500 bills a month. So what we've done is, for our franchise partners to begin with, we're looking at an average bill value of 650. This is pre-GST, and about 1,200 bills per month. So this is about 70% of what we are, achieving in Kolkata in our stores. So 1,200 bills at 650 rupees average value. Of course, you would do some bills which are at 1,000 rupees, some bills maybe at 400, 500 rupees. But as an average, you've taken at 650. This ensures an annual sale of about 1 crore, which means 8 to 9 lakh rupee monthly sales is achievable. We should be able to do in good locations. margin of 26 lakh rupees or so. Right, that's annual. That's an annual figure, 26 to 27 lakh rupee. Right. Given that the store is of a smaller size, 400 to 500, the staff we need is just two people, two salespeople, and of course the franchisee. We would expect the franchisee himself or herself, somebody from the family, to be able to be present at the store. Not always, but particularly on weekends, if some time can be dedicated, it would be very helpful. Otherwise, two salespeople at the store, one senior, one junior, and about 20,000 rupee monthly salary, 25,000 rupee monthly salary. We should be able to, pull this out easily, no problem. On the rental side, we have taken a monthly rent of about 80,000 for this 400 to 500 square feet. And we believe at that price, you should be able to get some of the good locations in the cities that we just discussed. So that's an annual rent of 10 lakh rupee. Utilities cover us for electric, the telephone bill, some other expenses, electric. So about 1 lakh rupee annual is what we have taken as an expense towards this, and a marketing budget of 1.5 lakh rupee annual. So overall, your annual expense should be about 15-16 lakh rupees and a net margin of 11 lakh rupee plus. So which means on an investment of 20 lakh rupees, you are able to generate 55 to 60% return in year one itself, which also means that within 21 to 24 months, you're able to generate your ROIs, right? So key points I'll highlight: 400 to 500 square feet outlet. Ideally target some strong residential locations, malls, growing high street locations. 20 lakh rupees investment, 7.5 lakh on the interior fit out, 6 lakh rupees stock, 3 lakh rupees franchise fee. So that's the breakup of 20 lakhs. An average bill value of 650 rupees, about 1200 bills a month, gives you a 1 crore annual sale. At 27% gross margins, that's 26-27 lakh rupee annual gross margin, and that also gives you about 11-12 lakh rupee annual net earning, which ensures that your ROIs is between 21 to 24 months. Right. Some of the products that we've highlighted here, as you can see, battery operated toys, remote control operated toys, box games, sports equipment, soft toys, plastic and impulse toys, school bags, water bottles, lunch boxes. And if you look at, some of the price points also, these are not very expensive. Baby pram and walker at 1380. Even if you add GST to it, it would still be very affordable. So as you can see, the price points are also very exciting, not very expensive. You're able to cater to, mass to mid market sort of market, and still get a good sales out of it. Our key products, battery operated and remote control toys, the price points is between 800 to 1100 rupees, which is a very good range for this category. You would not get better products at a better price than this. Right? Similarly, plastic and impulse toys also an average price around 300 rupees. Baby pram and walker at 1380. So very exciting price points, I would say. Right, and this also ensures an average bill value of about 650, and that converts to an annual sale of about 1 crore. Right. So these are some of our thoughts in terms of who we believe is a good partner for us. Young, ambitious, and budding entrepreneurs. Yes, important, and ambition is very, very important here. Aspirants with prior experience in running a retail business. So your experience in running a retail store, which also means that you're able to manage your inventory better. You also understand the customer requirements, and you can plan your inventory better for the next month. Right. So that experience is very helpful. Maintain good relations with customers, so you're able to generate repeat sales. And typically what we've seen in this business, customer who once gets a good product, they usually come back. And so that is very important in maintaining good relations with the customer. And that's why we've also taken that discount factor of 3%, so that addresses some of that relationship aspect as well. Local investors with a location would be an advantage, so you can save on the rent part, but the location has to be good, and accessible, available, and visible from a good distance. So that's also important. Some property owners could be added to this list. So that completes our list of ideal partner profile. If any of these sounds interesting to you, please drop in a message on our hotline number. We'll just share that number with you at the end of this presentation. Plus, you can, of course, share your queries right now on the chat box. Right. So young, ambitious, and budding entrepreneurs, prior experience in retail business, though not mandatory, but preferable. So it always helps, right? Good relationship management with customers, good communication skills always helps, right? And local investors, property owners uh, would be an advantage, so you can save on the rent aspect a little bit. So why partner with us? Just a summary, successfully operating a chain of stores in West Bengal, in Kolkata, 6 company-owned stores doing very good business, professional management team with rich industry experience. We also have wide product range, as we just saw. It caters to a complete, from a newborn to ideally a 10, 12-year, about 10-year-old kid also is a target customer. So it really caters to a very large target customer base. From a newborn to about 8, 9, 10 years of kid can easily buy something from our shops, right? Unique business concept with high profitability. As you can see, the price points is very interesting, and also the range is very wide in that sense, right? Attractive return on investments and quick payback, as we just discussed. 20 lakh rupees investment, and you're looking at 21 to 24 months return on a 5-year contract. So balance 3 years, you can easily make 12 to 15 lakh rupee every year as your net earning, right? So that is very exciting. Comprehensive guidance, supplies, and operational support. As company is already running 6 stores in Kolkata, we absolutely very clearly understand what it takes to set up the store right and then operate it very efficiently. And company would bring in its expertise and experience that we have captured over these so many years of business, and help you at every step to ensure you also become profitable very soon. Right. So these 6 reasons to partner with us: experience in running the stores, professional management team, wide product range, unique business concept with high profitability, attractive price points, and comprehensive support, guidance, sharing of experience, and everything. Yeah. With that, we'll just end this presentation and invite Soni ma'am to please take over.
Thank
Thank you, Anshul. Thanks for the presentation, Pooja ji. I think I'll start with few questions, and then I think we will pick up the questions from the audience also. This one, I should congratulate you. There are very, very few companies I know in this category who have been successful, and there are reasons for it. And you have been successful because I think there's a lot of experience, and so the most difficult part in this category is supply chain. How do you really address supply chain? Because बहुत ज़्यादा category है, बहुत सारे different suppliers होंगे. How to manage that right supply chain is my first question. और second, इसी के साथ लगता हुआ question है कि जब आप merchandise select करती हैं और हर store की location unique होगी और कभी-कभी seasonality बहुत होती है, जैसे back to school है, वो एक certain time पे काम करता है, कोई और चीजें हैं कुछ और टाइम पे काम करती हैं, तो कैसे अपना प्रोडक्ट मिक्स भी आप चेंज करती हैं? सो 2 क्वेश्चन, वन, हाउ डू यू मैनेज योर सप्लाई चेन, एंड सेकंड, हाउ डू यू प्लेस योर मर्चेंडाइजिंग डिपेंडिंग ऑन द स्टोर लोकेशंस? आज भी आपके 6 स्टोर हैं, तो कैसे उनके अंदर स्टॉक मिक्स आप चेंज करते हैं? Can you hear me?
We can hear you. I think there is some network issue with the. We can get it checked. श्रुति पर आप कॉल करके चेक करेंगे. I think while we can see her, but
Sure.
her screen is frozen.
Am I audible?
हाँ जी,
Yeah.
we can hear you now.
So to go on with, as you have already mentioned to the everyone, the management team in Puppets is the team which has been working in the toy industry for past 40 years. We are like well experienced people with toys as the matter. Then another thing is like we have been already catering around 300, 350 plus stores in Kolkata itself. So when we thought of opening the stores, we wanted to expand our horizons and expand it to a region where the toys were not very much available. Now what we are planning is to go at a larger scale. Toy market, as you know, in India is expanding at a rapid rate. Like even the biggest of the companies like Reliance, Wipro, everybody is trying to enter the market because it is spending at a very at a great rate rather. Nowadays, parents are concentrating a lot on the kids, and so the expansion is vast. So the opportunity is also great. Now, to address your question about the supply chain, see, we maintain a full-fledged office in Kolkata, which is our headquarter, and all the goods which we need to procure, we procure there. And right now, what we have, the system we have a full balanced supply chain wherein every store is supplied a weekly basis as per their need. There is a software which tracks the need. There is a demand which comes to us, and the demand is catered on weekly basis. There are transports available. We have arranged our own vehicle. We have partners. We have which provide us all those things, and the needs of the stores are catered every week. So supply chain as it is not the issue. And secondly, as we said that we are in the business, so we know the neck of the business, the time when the things will be needed, like the school bags and other stationery items. We have those peaks, things which are needed around January to April, May. So accordingly, we keep on shuffling the stock, and every time we keep on adding new things to it because we have importers to us, and we ourselves are like having a distribution network in entire East India, and we have what I said, we are already dealers and distributors for many well-known companies in India, including McDowell, Fun School, Fisher Price, or many more. List goes on.
Very helpful. So because they are very experienced, they're already in a large distribution, direct distributors for many major companies like Mattel, Fun School, which are the large players in the category. And also because they have a large ecosystem already through distribution and now their retail channel, they have reached to economies of scale. As when you reach the economy of scale, it is easy for them to really support their new franchisees by better margin play, better product selection, and also a lot of predictability in terms of what season, what you would need to do. Like she said, back to school products, which would be in the first cycle, which is January to April, and then you will have different seasons, and then you have festival season. Like in Calcutta, Puja would become a very big season, and there would be a lot of gifting, toys gifting, and so on and so forth. So one has to really adjust your stock. It's a small format. It's very difficult to bring all the categories in a small format. That's why the stocks are always very well loaded, and they have a very efficient supply chain capability and their own merchandise. Now, one question which is always very tricky in this category is the stock correction. बहुत सारा जो conventional retailers होते हैं, अगर उनके पास आप जाएं तो आपको दिखेगा कि 20 से 30% का स्टॉक उन्होंने रखा हुआ है, लेकिन वो मूव नहीं करता है. It is a slow moving product. एंड वो स्टॉक पड़ा रहता है और धीरे धीरे वो कंपाइल होता रहता है स्टोर्स के अंदर, क्योंकि स्टोर्स के अंदर वो स्टोर मूव नहीं करते. हाउ यू एड्रेस दैट प्रॉब्लम, बिकॉज दिस इज वन ऑफ द बिगेस्ट प्रॉब्लम, even the biggest of the organizations have faced it. How you do the stock correction and how you help your franchisees to also do the stock correction.
There are markets, like every market is different. Like if I say a product is good for one store, it might not be good for another store. So we keep a continuous check on these things. Like every 3 months, 4 months, we try and rotate the stock. Maybe the stock which is not working or not moving at one store is shuffled to other store, or it is replaced with some other stock, or we even launch some kind of sales or discounts on the stock so that they can move faster. But usually till now we have not faced much of these kind of problems, because stocks, we keep on rotating the stocks. As it is, we are working on a small model, so we don't overstock for any kind of item. We have we try and keep our stock in the right category that we are offering some of every kind.
Sure. And so how do you help your franchisee in stock correction? Unka stock agar move nahi karega, तो then you will make the stock change against fresh stock?
Yes. Usually what happens is we rotate the stock. In case if you find there is something which is not actually moving in a particular store, we shift it to some other stores where we find that this kind of stock is moving, and we replace the store with the equivalent amount of goods which are moving over there, or new products. And even you can even launch discounts on those things, or these kind of things which come up with offer in the times of pujas and Christmas season. So they get sale for that.
Absolutely, very helpful. And I'll take one more important question. Before I do that, please, friends, go out in the Q&A box, ask your city, which your location you're interested in, or a particular area which you are keen on. And even if you are looking for a larger partnership, you want to do some kind of a master relationship or a master area franchise or a master franchise, please use the Q&A box and ask your question, and Sonia would take it on your behalf, and we will get the approval if the city or a location is available for you. So one more question is the location selection and the predicted rentals you would do. What is the occupancy cost you normally look at, and what kind of a location selection support you would provide to a franchisee? And additional to that question is, which are the immediate locations where you think there is a great opportunity and you want franchisee to come in?
Opportunity as it is all good, but the location is a big question, right? Location is a big matter, because when you talk of a town, the location should be such that the people have a good footfall over there. It should be a part of a market area wherein we get a good footfall. It must be approachable. It must be an area where people usually enter. You get a good footfall. So it should be a market area, shop in a market area.
और आप क्या रेंटल रिकमेंड करती हैं, क्या रेंटल्स होने चाहिए?
So rentals actually depend from place to place. If you're talking of a suburb or a city, now they vary from place to place. They can vary anything from 25,000 to 50,000.
So she's still recommending a low-cost rental space, which can be your community locations, which are normally markets which are available in particular region communities where you'll have large neighborhoods and local markets available. And if you open up a store there, you'll get a good footfall. People come regularly, and then you'll be able to drive 25 to 50,000. She's recommending as a rental, but in some location it might be a little higher to get the right kind of location. It's a small format, specialty retail, a very good space. So location selection is very, very important, and then understanding your dynamics in terms of how your season would work, what kind of products have to be loaded at certain level. In certain times of the year, you need to even stock up, because the sales would be higher, and sales is proportionate to the stock levels you have. In some seasons, you need to stock up because they are particular seasons where you will have more sales. Otherwise, this is a year-round business. over to you, Sonia, for your questions and maybe some questions you want to take, and also from the audience.
Thank you, Pooja ji. And I'll take some questions from the audience. And the first question which I wanted to take was you mentioned you currently supply to a lot of retailers within the city also. So the question which I would like to ask is, one, do we have a differentiated product for exclusive outlets that are owned and operated under puppets? And the second is on the pricing that we look at, because if the same product is available at other retail stores, so do we have a differentiated product offering for exclusive store? And second is the protection of pricing, so to say. आप म्यूट पे हैं पूजा जी.
Hello.
हाँ जी, we can hear you now. So पूजा जी, दो क्वेश्चंस हैं जो पूछना चाहती थी. एक तो प्रोडक्ट के ऊपर, बिकॉज आपने बोला कि आपका जो प्रोडक्ट है, यू आर आल्सो सप्लाइंग टू मेनी अदर रिटेलर्स इन द सिटी. तो जो हम एक्सक्लूसिव आउटलेट पे देते हैं प्रोडक्ट, वो कितना डिफरेंट है या कोई डिफरेंशिएशन हम देते हैं. दूसरा प्राइसिंग के ऊपर था क्वेश्चन मेरा.
Ma'am, I'm not getting you clear. पहला क्वेश्चन आपका क्या चीज पे है?
पहला क्वेश्चन है आपका प्रोडक्ट ऑफरिंग के ऊपर, क्योंकि आप बाकी लोकेशंस जो आपकी लोकेशंस हैं, कलकत्ता आपने बताया, वहाँ पे भी आप सप्लाई करते हैं रिटेलर्स को, और आपका एक्सक्लूसिव आउटलेट्स भी हैं. तो इन दोनों आउटलेट्स के बीच में कोई ऑफरिंग है, डिफरेंशिएटेड ऑफरिंग है, या डिफरेंट प्रोडक्ट्स हैं जो एक्सक्लूसिव आउटलेट पे रहते हैं एंड डिफरेंट प्रोडक्ट्स हैं जो हमारे रिटेल आउटलेट्स पे जाते हैं? और दूसरा प्राइसिंग के ऊपर लेके क्वेश्चन है कि बिटवीन दीज टू, क्या हम एक प्राइस प्रोटेक्शन ऑफर करते हैं, क्योंकि सेम प्रोडक्ट अगर हमारे ट्रेडिशनल टेलर्स के पास भी है, उनका प्राइसिंग अलग होगा, एक्सक्लूसिव आउटलेट पे होगा प्राइसिंग अलग होगा. तो डू वी हैव अ पॉलिसी अराउंड दैट?
Yes, exactly. See, the thing is, all the business models are different. The prices are kept in such a way that they are very competitive. So we are offering products to retailers also, and we are offering products to our own run stores also. So we make sure that the pricing at our store is kept in such a way that there is no way higher than the retailers. And the retailers right now working with us are like, we make sure that there is no change in the pricing. Like the pricings offered at the stores are much more compatible than the pricings of other retailers, right?
और इसके साथ एक और लिंक क्वेश्चन है कि भाई रिटेलर्स क्या करते हैं, कभी वो डिस्काउंट देते हैं मार्केट में. तो अगर आप समझो एक मार्केट में है, अगर उसी मार्केट में आप रिटेलर को भी दे रहे हैं और एक्सक्लूसिव स्टोर को भी दे रहे हैं, तो वो कभी कभी जो रेगुलर जनरल स्टोर्स होते हैं वो डिस्काउंटिंग करते हैं, और आपके स्टोर में वो एमआरपी पे अवेलेबल होगा. तो कैसे हम कम्पीट कर पाएंगे?
So these problems are like, आप बोलेंगे कि ऑनलाइन में डिस्काउंट्स मिल रहा है, रिटेल डिस्काउंट दे रहा है, तो ये चीजें चलती रहती हैं. ये these are not much an issue. What is important is when you have a rapport with a customer, when you have a customer who is repeating, customer satisfied with you, then those small issues can be just kept in such a way that users for last 40 years. So we know that the retailer won't go below that. Even retailer is there to earn profit. So he cannot manage things without below a particular rate. So we know that the market rates are like that. So the pricing is kept in such a way that pricing issues are not usually faced by us.
कुछ लोकेशंस मैं आपसे लूंगी and which are coming from our audience. So one of the locations which I am seeing an inquiry from is Karimpur, and we have Mr. Suvankar Mandal from this location. वो पूछना चाहते हैं इस लोकेशन के लिए, because ये स्मॉल टाउन है, क्या पोटेंशियल है? आप म्यूट पे हैं पूजा जी. maybe we cannot hear you if you're
मैम, स्मॉल टाउन का पोटेंशियल यूजुअली ज्यादा है. हमने जब स्टोर स्टार्ट किए तो वी स्टार्टेड फ्रॉम स्मॉल टाउन्स, because बड़ी cities के पास तो already stores होते हैं कई सारे, but small towns में these are exclusive things, so they have great potential to offer things over there. आपका जो बस only thing in the small town is that the place should be on the particular market area, like close to railway stations and all those areas which are proper market for those small towns, because that is the place where footfall for the entire area is there. So the location is important in a small town. Potential is available. We are already working in some small towns.
Okay.
So potential is there.
Okay. And similarly, I'll take another city, which is a place in West Bengal, which is Sonarpur. And we have Kakoli Haldar, जो पूछना चाहते हैं potential and opportunity for Sonarpur. And they already have area of 3,500 square feet. And he would like to know also on the stock mix जो हमने बात की, and apart from that he's also questioning if categories like books and some branded toys like Hanung toys and other items are also available or customized for any location.
Hello. So as far as city is concerned, see, cities get better sale than the small towns because the footfall in the city is more, plus the paying capacity is more in the cities, so the sales in the cities is on a higher end. We get better sales in the cities, and like Sonia ma'am, I'm not clear about the second half of your question.
I think second जो मेरा क्वेश्चन था, because ये जो काकोली हलदार जी हैं, he is writing from Sonarpur in West Bengal. So he said he has an area of 1,3,500 square feet, जो वो location देखना चाहते हैं, potential है कि नहीं. The second question which he is asking is on the other product categories. जैसे वो पूछ रहे हैं कोई books भी available होती हैं, apart from the categories that we saw presentation में, पूछना चाहते हैं stationery items या books या कोई branded toys like Hanung toys का उन्होंने नाम लिया है, ऐसी कैटेगरीज अवेलेबल हो सकती हैं कि नहीं हो सकती. एंड लास्टली जो इनका क्वेश्चन था वो फिजिकल स्टोर की बाइंग के ऊपर था. हमारा ऑनलाइन प्रेजेंस भी है या सारी की सारी सेल्स हमारी फिजिकल स्टोर्स के थ्रू होती हैं?
Currently, we have a website, but the online sale in the website has not started. However, we do cater people who call us or place an order to us. And secondly, the store size which we are running till now, like the largest store we are running is in Kalyani right now. So depending on the area we get Kalyani, the store of our Kalyani store is around 1,200 square feet. So according to the size of the store, the stock is being provided. In Kalyani, we are dealing with a wide range of newborn items, stationery, and the books, the Hanam toys you told is a Chinese company basically, and we deal in all kind of products, like all you name the toy company and we are available with that. So not only it is like you get all kind of price, Leo, then there is Fun School, then Frank, Speed Up, and all on whatever, like say Mate, and
Well, there seems to be a network issue with Pooja ji. And friends, we'll take up your questions. I also see you wanting to get in touch with them for a one-on-one meeting. We have inquiry from Mr. Subodh Kumar. So we have shared our email ID and also the hotline number where you can connect with us. And also, Pooja ji, since you're back, and I understand you have a comparatively a weaker network. So 2-3 questions जो मैं quickly लूंगी cities के ऊपर है. We have Mr. Satyakam from भुवनेश्वर से पूछना चाहते हैं. I have one inquiry from पटना जो पटना में पूछ रहे हैं कि अगर हम खोल सकते हैं कि नहीं. So these two locations, if you can quickly answer कि locations आपके लिए viable हैं भी discuss करने के लिए. And third, I see some inquiries from investors who want to get in touch with you for one-to-one discussions.
You're most welcome for one-to-one discussions. As in when they're comfortable with it, we can arrange a meeting, a Zoom meet, or maybe physical meet, whatever they are interested in. So they are, and like we are actually open to all kinds of cities or towns. But the only thing is the location of the store should be good. As long as your store is in a good location, sales are most viable things. Like because the toys are such a thing, toys need of every child. So each store we design is made in such a way that once a child enters the store, he is being catered with all the things of his requirement. So what is important is the location of the store.
Sure, Pooja ji. And all right, we have Mr. Sahil from Siliguri, and they have an area, while comparatively area thoda sa chota hai, it's about 470 square feet, but he says it's a good market area with a good footfall. So Sahil ji, we can consider the location. Aur meri request sabse rahegi, I think we have received your cities, we also received some of you own the properties in these locations that you have mentioned. हम पूजा जी से इस हफ्ते का हम टाइम ले सकते हैं जहाँ पे आपकी हम 1-to-1 कॉल या जूम कॉल उनसे करा सकते हैं. पूजा जी कोई दिन आप सजेस्ट करना चाहती हैं इस हफ्ते में? आज ट्यूसडे है, so maybe any day that you want to suggest, you are available to connect with the inquiries that you see in the Q&A box. And also I will request friends who have sent their inquiries for properties, अगर आप अपनी property की information भी हमें email कर दें, so we can even have our feedback on these locations when we come on the call. So any date पूजा जी जो आप share करना चाहती हैं सबके साथ?
So yeah, I'm comfortable on any day. We are open like 6 days a week. So I'm comfortable on any day, as in when you can arrange it.
Sure. So friends, what we can do is, we are on Tuesday today. We can maybe set up a date for 7th, which is Friday. And we can start maybe today itself. Our teams will reach out to all of you who have asked these questions. And हम Friday वाले दिन जो 7th में है, उस दिन के लिए हम पूजा जी का time लेंगे. And I've also put the hotline number and the email ID in our chat box. Kindly use that email ID and the WhatsApp number, but at the same time anyone who has asked any questions will be reached out by our teams as well. And before we close, पूजा जी मैं आपसे request करूंगी कोई भी एक message जो आप अपने audience जो आए हैं सुनने के लिए आप उनको देना चाहती हैं.
My message to you would be like, we will like to have as many grow our stores to all the kinds of all the cities and all the towns, and we would like you to partner with us, and we are looking forward to a great range to make puppets a household name for toys for everybody. And best is stay healthy, stay fine, stay safe.
Thank you.
This is a difficult time, although I know. But see, you have to start working on those times because more opportunities come to you in difficult times. So let's start working on that.
Absolutely. You have to keep working and you keep looking at newer opportunities. You are established business and a very good company. You build brick by brick, and now experienced enough to share the opportunity with like-minded entrepreneurs. It's a great opportunity. There is no competition. There is no dedicated stores available there is no chain stores available, and especially in the eastern part, there is nothing which is available. So it can be an opportunity for you to get into a business which is already proven, good supply chain, year-round business, good margin business, which is about 27%, which you get, and relatively easy business to manage and run, because they handle the entire supply chain from the back, and because of their distribution capabilities that is there. So it's a good opportunity. Well, we're seeing a lot of inquiries coming from Bihar, we're seeing from Odisha, we're seeing from Northeast. And if you are interested in a particular location, please reach out to us on our business hotline number, and we will connect with Pooja ji and get your one-on-one discussion. And if you both sides there is a level of understanding, and then we can get into a contract and you can start your own business. And so thank you very much for joining in. Over to you, Sonia, for your last remarks, and also talking about what is coming tomorrow for a webinar.
Thank you so much, Pooja ji. And we have taken all the inquiries, friends, that you have given in the Q&A box. As I mentioned, we'll reach out to you.
Thank you, Sonia.
And
thank you to all the participants. Thank you, Gaurav. And we are looking forward to have a great business with you.
Thank you so much, Pooja ji. And friends, before you leave, I will take a minute to take you through some of the webinars that you can block your time for today as well as tomorrow. And also we have a recording of all the webinars we have done in the last more than 1 year, which you can find on the Facebook page of Franchise India Brands. I would request rather you subscribe to all the social media handles that you see on the screen, and you will get updates on all the businesses and also upcoming events and brands that we launch, and including some of the international master franchisees that we will launch in the coming week. And this is the hotline number, which is 9717683838, which you can take a note of. You can WhatsApp, call, SMS on this number. Next slide. And these are the LinkedIn URLs. In case you want to reach out to us on the LinkedIn, you can do so. Next slide, please. And this is 30 days, 30 cities. Every day we pick one city and we do an event and we bring brands who are looking at expansion in these cities. So today we have Kolkata, which has been selected, and everybody, and I'm sure we have a lot of our partners who are from East India and around. All of you are welcome to attend today's evening webinar, which is Kolkata chapter 30 day, 30 cities. And tomorrow, 12 o'clock, we have another opportunity that we bring to you, which is a company called Relief. And this is again a very innovative brand which has portable restrooms, and they are a part of green sanitation solutions, which is about 60 billion US economy in India. And the investment starts as small as about 10 lakhs. And you can log on tomorrow at the same time, 12 o'clock on to know more on the opportunity, and also find the link on the Facebook page of Franchise India Brands to get yourself registered. Or again, you can send any inquiry on the WhatsApp number that we have shared with you. Our team will reach out to you with the link and help you with the registration process. So friends, thank you once again for being with us. And I wish you and all your families and friends are safe and have a great day ahead. Thank you.